only nonstop news for LA and Orange County.
KNX, KNX FM and HD Los Angeles.
SoCal's only 24/7 connection. The big story
On KNX News, 97.1 FM.
Now, Sean Diddy Combs, music mogul, in court in New York, facing numerous criminal charges, could put him in prison for the rest of his life. He was indicted and arrested on charges including racketeering, sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion, and transportation to engage in prostitution. The feds say Combs ran a criminal enterprise through his businesses. They also say he used violence, threats of violence, as well as verbal, emotional, physical, and sexual abuse to fulfill his sexual desires.
This is going to be one of the biggest cases we've seen of the decade. High-profile figure. The stakes just couldn't be higher. Allegations are extremely serious, heinous in nature, and we can expect a battle all the way to the end on this one. There's not going to be any deal. This is going to trial, just like R. Kelly, just like Weinstein. It's going all the way to the box.
Defense attorney Lauren Johnson-Norris agrees that witnesses could come forward to say they weren't forced to do anything.
I expect this will also involve quite a few witnesses, because we were talking about, right, parties, kind of this environment where several people were there, and if it's a conspiracy, other people participated. So I would expect some of those people may be cooperating against him. In terms of a defense, he may argue that those people are trying to get themselves out of trouble, or maybe they were involved in crimes and he wasn't, or he wasn't fully aware of what was going on. It's going to be a real challenge for him if he's got a lot of people testifying against him to support these charges.
And Johnson-Norris says it can be tricky for a defense attorney to represent a very high-profile and wealthy client.
So it requires a lot of savvy, dealing with difficult personalities, and then also making sure to protect as best we can a celebrity or famous person's reputation. So all of that sort of goes into the fold. I've experienced that in cases as well, and it's not easy. It takes a certain type of lawyer to be able to handle it.
Combs' attorney says his client, innocent, will fight these charges.